Okay, so for this question, it said the probability density function for continuous random variable. So when we're doing with continuous random variable, we start with our interval. Your interval involving here only 0 until 2, which is k times y plus 1. And then given here is probability density function efficacy. For the first question, to find the unknown here, we use the characteristic of continuous random variable where total probability equals to 1, means total area equals to 1. Therefore, we will integrate 0 until 2 for the function ky plus 1 and then respect to y because you're having a y random variable here. Alright, so don't do it as dx. So for dy. So to integrate this, k factorize out. Then power plus 1 over new power, constant 1, integrate, you get y. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit, 0 over anything, 0. So here you have, how many k here? You have 4k. K equals to 1 over 4. Then your function will be complete as we know that this k is 1 over 4. Then we continue for question B to find cumulative density function F besar. So we are having the step, first step, second step, third step. So for the first step, it will be happen before interval 0. So not x. Y will be less than 0 and included 0 because for the interval in the middle here, it will be y in between 0 and 2. So before 0 here will be y less than equal 0. So to find your cumulative function, it will be before plus current, so we don't have anything. So before probability also 0, current probability also 0. Then we proceed for the second step, second interval, where y in between 0 and 2. So to find its cumulative, before that 0, current interval, you integrate, start from 0 up to y, not yet finished until 2, so up to random variable y for this function, and then integrate respect to y. To integrate this, 1 over 4 factorize out, and then power plus 1 over new power, integrate 1, become y. So substitute your upper limit y minus lower limit 0. So 0 over 2, 0 plus 0. Simplify this function. Here will be y squared over 8 plus y over 4. Then you move up to the next interval, step number 3, which is after 2, after the random variable 2. So y will be greater equal than 2. Cumulative function, as you accumulate, it will be up to 2 already. Currently interval, we don't have any function. Alright, so when you add here, means you already accumulate y up to 2. So f2 plus currently interval 0. So 2 will be substituted into the function before this, which is 2 squared over 8 plus 2 over 4. Then you'll get 1. So after that, we're going to rewrite this into the piecewise. So the first result 0, where y less than equals 0. Second result, y squared over 8 plus y over 4, where this is in between 0 and 2. Lastly, 1 for y greater equals to 2. Then for this question B, it continuous have another part of the question with the terms hence. Means we need to find this probability using cumulative function. So we can't use probability density function. We can't use this function. We must use the cumulative function that we found. So to do it, y probability for y more than 1 over 2. Finding using cumulative function. So it will be 1 minus f 1 over 2. Accumulate as maximum as you can. If you want more than 1 over 2, maximum is 1. Okay, you accumulate as maximum you can is 1. Then you minus back the random variable that is not involving, which is less than 2. So less than 1 over 2, it will be f 1 over 2. So substitute 1 over 2 in this interval. (27 over 32). Okay, then for question C, finding variance. To find variance of y, you need the formula of y squared minus ey and then everything squared. So finding ey means we're going to integrate using probability density function, using f using small f function here. So integrate 0 until 2 times the y inside the function. So 1 over 4 you can factorize out. Then you integrate 0 until 2. Expand this, it will be y squared plus y. Then integrate power plus 1 over new power. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. (7 over 6). Then after that, we find for ey squared means integrate 0 until 2, 1 over 4 will times y squared to the function. Multiply y squared into the function. So 1 over 4 factorize out. Expand this, y cubed plus y squared. So power plus 1 over new power. Okay, so last step is finding out your variance. Variance y equals to ey squared minus ey squared. 11 over 36. Then you use the properties to find variance y minus 3. So for variance y minus 3, we use properties, it will be variance y. So bear in mind, in variance operation always plus, because variance is non-negative value, variance negative 3. So variance to a constant 0, it will remain as answer variance y, which is 11 over 36. Okay. Bố đi sáng đi thật